This one is for the history books. I am 500 kilometers away from the epicenter of the protest going on in Jantar Mantar. In my college right now, I am a student, and it feels bizarre to be in a college, to come for my class when there is a protest regarding the education system going on. I've heard people say if you cannot be part of the movement physically, then do your own Jantar Mantar in your cities and states. One of my friends, she tried to gather people from different colleges in my city, but we didn't get permission to protest. We didn't get permission to even gather and talk about it. So that did not go well. That did not happen. Actually, it was supposed to happen today itself. And right now I'm here. I just did my class. I did my whatever affairs routine I had to do because it's normal for me, right? But now as a student, I feel bizarre. Since last night, I've been having this sort of tension on my mind that something bad is about to happen, and it is quite about to happen in two ways. One is the protest is about to get extremely violent. The state is going to retaliate. They're going to try to repress the amount of crowd that has gathered in that place. They're trying to put barricades to limit the area because the number of people that are there would not be able to move around with that limited area. There are thousands of people gathered now, more after the abduction. I'm going to say abduction of Sonam Wangchuk. And I am recording this video because I want to know where I was in this point of stage, because I am not there present. I am not there physically. I'm sitting in the comfort of my own city, in my own house, and that feels bizarre, to be honest. And this whole protest, I got a little nervous about it. I got a little perspective about what I was doing, what I am. Last night when I knew कि this is the day, आज के दिन ही जो होगा, it depends. It will shape what will be ahead of us. So I was thinking about entire protest, the entire movement from its origin to where it stands now and where it will go ahead. Nobody can tell where it can go ahead because the things we have planned, the things that they have planned will not go according to plan. That's for sure. The government, it's always the best to assume that the government is going to retaliate with the worst measures. It's unresponsiveness or responsive with violent measures. That is about to happen. There are tear gas vans, there are water cans outside, and there's a full van full of stones, and a lot is about to commence, and it has started from 9 a.m. Right now, all I've seen is that they're making announcements that there will be lathi charge. There has been lathi charge. Apparently, I saw a video of the police thrashing students, thrashing people. And it's not just for students at this point, because the amount of children I have seen, the amount of mothers, the amount of parents, the amount of senior citizens that are present there, that are vocal about it, is astonishing. And one thing that has been suspicious for me in the past week is that suddenly, on a whim actually, not a brim, on a whim, all the influencers, some of, not all of them, because not all of them can risk, to be honest. Some of the influencers, they have shown up, they have spoken about it, they have used their platform to speak constantly about the protest, about how spineless some people are, about how spineless the government is, and how coward the government is. Because what do you mean that you're not even responding? You have to acknowledge this is way worse than not accepting our demands. You just straight up ignoring. मतलब इतना तो नहीं करना होता है. So last night I was just thinking about all of this, and I wrote a few points. First of all, I have immense respect and some sort of proud. I don't know from what area I can be proud of the people who are there, who are present, who are fighting, who are protecting the nation's integrity at this point. But I have immense respect for them. The ability to go and stand there in this heat, the ability to go against a government that refuses to engage in a dialogue, that refuses to acknowledge anyone at this point who is not in power, who's not their chamcha, chaddi buddy or something. देखो, मतलब what amount of delusion they live in, I have no idea. अपने देश के लोगों को नहीं सुनना और जाके बाहर 50 तरीके की स्पीचेस देना कि वी आर डूइंग दिस, वी आर डूइंग दैट. एट दिस पॉइंट इफ़ यू इवन डू सम डेवलपमेंट, it doesn't look like development. It becomes, what is the cost of this development? That is the question that arises. अपनी तो सुन लो, फिर जाके अपनी सुनाना ना. मतलब there should be a two-way conversation. आप अपने ही मन की बात करोगे तो हम लोग अपनी मन की बात क्या करेंगे? और जब लोग मन की बात करते हैं, then they got all stingy, like ये क्या कर दिया, चुप जाती है इन लोग के. सो रिस्पेक्ट तो बेयर मिनिमम से भी मिनिमम है. I also saw this last night कि this one's for the history books, because जब ये याद आएगा तो you have to remember where you were at this time. जब ये प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा था 1 महीने से, जिस दिन ये मार्च हुई, जिस दिन ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, जिस समय में हो रही है, वहाँ तब तुम कहाँ थे. ये सोच के I was thinking and thinking and thinking कि where was I, where am I have to remember. So my favorite way of remembering, reflecting, recognizing myself is through writing. So I wrote some points, and I knew that I will make a video, because I cannot write anything with the true emotion, because that will take a long time, and I think speaking right now in front of a camera is the best way to talk about this for myself. My second point was, after the amount of appreciation that these protesters, that the people who are showing up are getting, is the amount of divisions, the negative PR, I would say, is happening on the internet. In person, I don't know. In person, as a word of mouth, वो तो होता ही रहता है. News channels have boycotted. We'll get to that. But first of all is divisions that do not make sense anymore, because of course a lot of politicians, a lot of celebrities, public figures that do not quite align with each other have showed up in this place. Opposition parties and political figures, public figures like Arundhati Roy, Kunal Kamra, and abhi kal aayi thi Shabana Azim, if I remember her name correctly. All of them are showing up to show their support. Obviously that's what you do, but the thing is, their ideologies are quite different from a lot of people in the country, and that is what the reason is to not support this. And you must have heard all of these things like, I don't support CJP but I support this, I don't support XYZ but I support this. The thing is, everybody supports that the education system is rotten to the core, that it should be modified, it should be rectified. मतलब कि जो अंदर से जो खोखलापन है ना, वो उनके नागरिकों में अब दिख रहा है. The people are reflection of its rotten education system at this point. They believe what they are shown. There is no amount of critical, analytical thinking in the people कि जो दिख रहा है वो मत समझो, खुद देखो, खुद परखो, and then understand what the hell is going on in front of you. Right, so the divisions are quite there. Most shocking one for me was अल्लाह का नाम रहेगा, एक गाना जो गाया गया था. And when I first saw that clip, I was like, what are you doing? You are just doing negative thing for the whole protest, because this is the bait that people need. Muslim is a bait. Calling out Muslims or even talking about them, especially in Islamic way, not just their welfare, but when you bring their religion into the conversation, it is a bait for Hindus, it is a bait for BJP, it is a bait for the entire country who is waiting to just tear this movement apart. And that is what that clip did, without context. Yesterday I got the context that it's a nazm that was written against Tanashahi dictatorship of imposing a religion, of imposing their own beliefs on the people and not letting them choose what they want. And now it makes more sense. And if you've heard that sort of hum dekhenge, that is used in most of the reels, most of the clips that you go around. It is a very powerful song. It is from the movie Kashmir Files. I was extremely shocked on hearing that as well, because the contrast you see. So एक नज़्म जिसका असली मोटिव वही था, उसको out of context यूज़ किया गया. And I believed it too. Can you believe that? I am also rotten to the core at this point. Then of course the Kunal Kamra statement. To me that statement was extremely witty. It was witty for me. I wouldn't say anything else, because I am not a Hindu, first of all. So, and even if I am a Hindu, even if I believe in that religion, I have that faith, I share their faith, why is calling out what the government is doing in the name of religion, by using religion, a wrong thing? Like, अगर उनका forefront, उनका एक flag bearing मोटिव ही यही है कि हम रिलीजन को सामने रख के पीछे से कांड करते रहेंगे, तो why not call out that religion? Why not call out that religion? And this is not blasphemy at all. अगर उनका काम ही है कि हम राम जी की बात लेके आगे बढ़ेंगे, तो राम जी के थ्रू ही उन्हें पकड़ा जा सकता है. राम मंदिर में चोरी हुई, उन्हीं के थ्रू उन्हें पकड़ा जाएगा कि द सिस्टम इज़ अ बिट रॉन्ग है. हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट दैट हम साइड से जाके सीधा मोदी को पकड़ेंगे? आई थिंक इफ़ हमें सीधा सीधा बोलना होता तो जर्नलिस्ट डू द सेम. the good ones, they do the same. They don't use these witty comebacks, they do. But as a person, he was an artist, he was a comedian, he is a comedian, he comments on such things. This is his way of showing कि हाँ ये गलत हो रहा है, and his way of saying कि ये गलत है. If you have to hear hardcore facts, then just journalists, the good ones, the newspaper articles, उसमें लिखा होता है कि the government is doing in the name of religion, the government is just benefiting this particular party. That is what happens in journalism and in articles. But a person who is here to express in his own way will not please you, will not be palatable to you. And to me, this statement was not a religious sentiment, just a hurt ho jaye. They just wanted another bait to grab onto. I would like to add one more point to the whole dilution of the protest online is the amount of homophobia. I completely forgot about it to mention it. I'm really sorry. But the thing is, many people are saying, why are transgenders, why are people from the LGBTQ plus community joining this movement? Why are they? And the amount of news anchors from the mainstream media that have gone up to them asking them stupid, dumb questions. Why are you here? Oh, did you also give NEET? Are they not allowed to give NEET? Are they not allowed to be a citizen of this country, to be students of this education system? बिकॉज मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो रहा था ये सब देखे कि इतना गधा कैसे हो सकता है. कैमरे के सामने आके आप इतनी अजीब बातें कैसे कर सकती है. एज अ न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर, एज अ जर्नलिस्ट, दीज आर द क्वेश्चन यू हैव फॉर योर स्टूडेंट्स. एंड सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये भी था कि अगर किसी ने नीट नहीं दिया है और वो क्यों है इस मोमेंट में, गधे हैं आप. रेप के लिए जब मार्चेस निकलती हैं तब सबके साथ रेप नहीं हुआ होता है, थैंकफुली. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रोइंग अ स्पाइन, शोइंग एम्पैथी एंड शोइंग सपोर्ट. So homophobia was one of the reasons why this was being diluted as well. People did not want to be associated because they did not support LGBTQ. They did not support a specific religion. They did not support a specific ideology. Grow up. That's what I'll say. Grow up. It's bigger than your cause. It's bigger than you. This movement, this concern of the country, a lot of concerns of this country is bigger than your personal thinking. So just grow up, grow a spine, and be better. Right? Okay. I got a little angry. I'm not angry. I'm just frustrated again because I just remembered ki. Third is, okay, the news TV that has boycotted, the TV channels that have boycotted the shit out of this movement. So last night I gave a chance to ABP News and I was like, let's see क्या हो रहा है. Okay, the thumbnail of that video was सोनम वांगचुक को हटाने पर बीजेपी की सफाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैंने कहीं से भी बीजेपी की सफाई सुनी नहीं थी ऑन द इंटरनेट. सो इट इंट्रिग्ड मी कि ऐसा क्या बोल दिया उन्होंने, कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिया क्या. तो आई ओपन दैट वीडियो अज्यूमिंग दैट द स्टेटमेंट वाज गिवन बाय बीजेपी एंड एवरीवन कि उनकी तरफ से सफाई की, मैंने क्यों हटाया उन्हें, क्या हो रहा है, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. फूलिश मी. And this is why I'll say कि media, this sort of media that we have in the current stage, on the news, on TV, on mainstream TV, is also going to go down in history in the best or worst way possible. You decide. The pillar is gone. It does not even exist at this point. We have an additional pillar right now in the form of social media creators. Those were they were also bashed for being unknowledge. क्या बोलते हैं? They were also bashed for being pretty useless by some statement was given regarding कि वो सिर्फ माइक उठा लेते हैं and then they do this sting operation, they do the journalism things. So when I saw this video, इसमें the anchor, she goes on about how beneficial this action was by the government, how they were so concerned, how the potassium levels, how his vitals were so low, so deadly that they had to take it. मतलब उनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था और the state had to provide aid to Sonam Wangchuk ji like this. See, I can offer another option, alternative to how they could have helped this situation, by actually listening to the demands, by actually negotiating, having a conversation with them. जाओ पूछो, जब उनको पूछने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है आपको, आपने देख लिया कि ये गलत हो रहा है, ये सही हो रहा है, जाके बस बैठ जाओ, कुछ एटलीस्ट बी प्रेजेंट. दैट इज़ व्हाट ऑनलाइन वर्बल कैसे भी उनको जाना है. दैट इज़ हाउ यू कुड हैव हेल्प्ड हिम, नॉट बाय जस्ट टेकिंग अप हिम. ऐसे उठा के बस निकल लिए. एंड द ऑडेसिटी, वाइट चादर, दैट इज़ अ स्टेटमेंट दैट यू आर हाइडिंग. And the woman, the anchor there, was also justifying the white sheets. क्यों नहीं ढकना पड़ा? Protection, concern. You guys don't have respect. You guys don't have concern. I think it's quite visible to a lot of people right now. So एंड इट्स जस्ट हिटिंग मी वापस एंड वापस कि हाउ डम दीज पीपल आर, हाउ ब्लेटेंटली दे आर जस्टिफाइंग दीज एक्शंस where they have no idea, or maybe they have. It's very foolish, it's dumb to assume that these guys don't have any idea. They know exactly what they're doing while not responding, while being violent, while putting out these statements, while saying anything. They are very sharp, clever, they have every idea कि क्या गलत हो सकता है, क्या सही हो सकता है. एंड अभी भी उनके पास आई एम कॉन्स्पिरेसी थियोरिस्ट एट दिस पॉइंट व्हेन आई से कि अभी भी उनके पास एक चीज़ है, एक टैक्टिक है जिससे वो ये पूरे मूवमेंट को दबाएंगे. आई एम डैम श्योर. एंड वी हैव 3 years फॉर द नेक्स्ट इलेक्शंस. थिंग्स आर अबाउट टू चेंज, थिंग्स विल चेंज. Some people will remember it, but it just depends on how the government takes the next action. How do they console the people? There is no point in consoling, to be honest. Moving on from news, so I just gave a chance to that news channel कि यार देख लेते हैं, because अभी तक I've been just seeing interviews from the particular place, and then उसके बाद people were making videos कि ये यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, या हो रहा है, informational videos that they gathered information and they were just letting us know कि ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. And otherwise there were interviews. Last night I was completely watching interviews, and the amount of slogans, the songs the people were singing, मेरे दिल को छू गया. I was having goosebumps the entire time. Half an hour interviews of people just going on about their own personal experience. It's a thing that everybody is coming from their own place कि उन्हें कहीं ना कहीं ये जो चीज़ है अफेक्ट करी है in reality, and that is what the people are showing up. Because इससे पहले भी काफ़ी प्रोटेस्ट हो चुके हैं. इससे पहले भी the farmers protest, the CA protest, everything that has happened was not exactly or synonymously related to, I want to say, the urban people, like the exact target of this protest. The people who want how do I even describe this? This time the tragedy has struck on our door, and that is why the people are on the streets. Because इससे पहले भी प्रोटेस्ट हुए हैं इन रूरल एरियाज़ में, जो डैम प्रोजेक्ट्स बनते रहते हैं, जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होती है ऑफ ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज़, इसके लिए भी प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं. वो लोग भी लड़ते हैं, बट उनके लिए कोई लड़ने नहीं आता था, इसलिए वो सारे प्रोटेस्ट अब भुला चुके हैं. वो जगह जा चुके हैं, वो लोग जा चुके हैं, पता नहीं किस कंडीशन में कहाँ हैं. इवन राइट नाउ इन मध्य प्रदेश द प्रोटेस्ट आर हैपनिंग. उन्होंने अपनी मतलब तुम्हारे कंट्री की सिटीजन, तुम्हारी कंट्री की जो लोग हैं, हमारे देश के लोग जिंदा चिता पर लेटने को, अपनी चिता बनाने को तैयार हैं, बिकॉज तुम उनकी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो. डू यू सी हाउ इनसेंसिटिव? I don't think this is the word that they should even be around, because they don't have this quality, sensitivity, the amount of empathy कि नहीं है, रहने दो. Next was the simultaneous protest. Next point was the simultaneous protest कि कैसे हर जगह प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं. मध्य प्रदेश में, उत्तराखंड में 5000 पेड़ काटने की बात हो रही है रोड बनाने के लिए. एक तो पहाड़ों में जाके जो वहाँ का कचरा करा है लोगों ने. I don't know, I love mountains, but now I don't love any place in this country where I would like to go as a tourist, because I know that beneath that what I'm seeing is something much more vile. Corruption is there at the core of everything that is beautiful in this country, and I cannot see the country for itself. I just see it for the people that are playing these games. Even if I go to Taj Mahal, I'll remember Taj Mahal story कि हर चीज़ के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ तो स्टोरी इनकी होती ही है. I cannot with these people. डेटा सेंटर्स के खिलाफ चल रहा है. द लैंड प्रोजेक्ट दैट आर हैपनिंग उत्तराखंड में, फॉरेस्ट, दीज जंतर मंतर इन हियर, इट्स इन बैंगलोर, मुंबई, हर जगह में वो जाके मिल के प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. हर जगह में मिल के लोग आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. द अमाउंट ऑफ chants that are echoed in the air of Delhi right now, in the atmosphere of Delhi right now, should stay. I'm just saying that it should stay, because the thing is, these sort of protests sometimes lose their momentum and they lose the appeal it has to the audience, and I don't want that. I think nobody who is currently actively engaged in this protest wants that, and I think we should not lose this momentum. We would not let this fade as a part of history. We will carry it as a very beautiful, significant contribution to the future. That's what I believe in. And then, of course, the protests try to be diluted with anti-Hindu sentiments, with the anti-nationalist things, the people that are showing up. Like I talked about it, I personally did not find that this was a point of dilution for some reason, because people will come to for their own personal, समझ लो कि वो अपने खुद के मतलब से आए हैं, अपना खुद का प्रचार करने आए हैं. ठीक है, तुम्हें पता है ना तुम्हारा मोटिव क्या है. अगर ऐसी बातों से तुम बहल जा रहे हो तो तुम्हारे अंदर बुद्धि कमी है. अब बुद्धि कमी है लोगों में, क्योंकि वो बहक जाते हैं ऐसी बातों से. बट लार्ज अमाउंट, लाइक बहुत सारा ऑनलाइन पे बैकलैश आया था. वाई इज़ दिस पर्सन कमिंग, वाई इज़ दिस पर्सन डूइंग दिस, वो क्यों ये भूख हड़ताल पे क्यों नहीं बैठा, वो क्यों बैठा है. एंड आई थिंक दैट वी एज इंडियंस लव टू क्रिटिसाइज अदर पीपल इफ़ दे आर डूइंग एनी थिंग. अगर वो इंसान हेल्प कर रहा है एक कॉज के लिए, दे विल बी लाइक तुम उस कॉज में क्यों ये वाला हिस्सा नहीं निभा रहे हो और ये वाला हिस्सा क्यों निभा रहे हो. इफ़ अ पर्सन इज़ ट्राइंग टू गो ऑन द राइट पाथ, लाइक तुम 100% राइट नहीं हो. पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल इज़ आई एम अ वेजिटेरियन, right? And I became vegetarian for the sole reason that I do not want to eat animals. I do not want to have mutton, chicken, beef, anything, to be honest, because मुझे नहीं पसंद है जानवरों को मारना. बिकॉज मैंने जब भी मैं कसाई खाना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट प्लेस इज, आई नो कसाई खाना, उसके सामने से जाती हूँ, उसको देखती हूँ, मुझे सिर्फ एक अजीब सा धक्का लगता है अपने मन में, और वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी. जब भी मैं खाने को देखूँ उल्टी कर दूँ मैं उस खाने पे. Now, I don't impose these things on my family, on my friends. They eat whatever they want to eat. But in my heart, I know that I would not do that. I would tell them कि this is the sole reason, and they know that. But उनको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मुझे नहीं खाना चाहिए. That is a whole different debate between vegetarianism and non-veg people. So they come up to me कि why don't you give up dairy as well? Why don't you give up ice cream? Why don't you give up chocolate? So the thing is, I tried to give up dairy. It affected me. I'm a big coffee fan, I'm a big चाय फ़ैन. मैं सब पी लेती हूँ जिसमें दूध होता है. मेरे को बचपन से दूध पसंद था नहीं, तो मैं दही खा लेती एज एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, बिकॉज कैल्शियम ज़रूरी होता है बॉडी के लिए. एंड कैल्शियम हमेशा से ज़रूरी था. पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग वॉज डन, इज़ लाइक द बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर सिविलाइजेशन. जब फार्म्स आने लगे तो पीपल स्टार्टेड टू हैव, दे डिड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. But the thing is, that was not as cruel as it is right now. It was not as commercialized on a large scale कि ज़बरदस्ती उनको इम्प्रेगनेट नहीं किया जाता था, ज़बरदस्ती उनसे उनका सीमन नहीं निकाला जाता था. लाइक द प्रोसेस हैज़ गॉटन सो इन ह्यूमन दैट it feels that you're being a part of that cruelty. You are being a part of that cruelty by consuming everything, even the phone in front of me, even the paper in front of me, the things around me. Everything is part of the cruelty that humans are doing. And you and me, if we want to or do not want to, we are a part of this cruelty. We will face this. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि if a person is trying to be good, you go and ask them why they're not the best. This is not how it works. And this is what exactly is happening कि तुम ये नहीं कर रहे. It's just that we love to critique things, people that are doing right, to ask them why they are not being more extremely right, why they're not being extremely good. बैठ जाओ, शांत रहो. If you have not something nice to say to uplift a person who is trying to do something, then just shut your mouth and अपने कोने में जाके घुस के बैठ के रील स्क्रॉल करो. समझे? इसके अलावा the amount of accountability we are asking from our actors, from our creators does not sit right with me any time. जब भी हम चढ़ के जाते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर सेलिब्रिटी के पास कि तुम क्यों नहीं बोलते, तुम क्यों नहीं बोलते, आप क्यों नहीं बोल रही. Why are we asking people who firstly are pawns in this industry? They are literal pawns. उनका कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं है. They are rich, but only some of them are powerful. I think we need to understand that. They are extremely rich, but that does not mean that they are powerful enough to take a stand and then be there. Because many people, many celebrities in the past have taken stands. They have made films. They have attended JNU protest. Deepika Padukone. You should have seen the amount of backlash they have gotten, the amount of threats, of course. But then comes the question कि जब देश की बात आती है तो तुम कब तक चुप रहोगे, कब तक नहीं बोलोगे. घूम के तुम पे भी आएगी एक दिन बात, और ये आ रही है तभी ये लोग आए हैं अभी सामने. अगर अपने पे बात नहीं आती तो ये लोग भी शायद ना आते, इनमें से कुछ लोग. एंड आई रिमेंबर आमिर खान, मुझे उसका एक शो बहुत याद था, वो सत्यमेव जयते. एंड फॉर द पास्ट 3-4 डेज़ मेरे दिमाग में उसका गाना ही बज रहा है कि सच्चा है प्यार तेरा सत्यमेव जयते. आई लव दैट सॉन्ग. मैं उसको मेरे 4th क्लास के एनुअल डे पे वो गाना हम लोगों ने कोयर में गाया था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू रिमेंबर सिंगिंग इट 24/7 बिकॉज आई हैड टू रिमेंबर इट. एंड आई लव दैट सॉन्ग. द लिरिक्स वर तेरा नाम सीने पे लिखा, हर कोई आके पढ़ सके, है जुनून है तेरे इश्क का ये जुनून है, रग रग में इश्क तेरा दौड़ता ये बावरा सा खून है, तूने ही सिखाया सच्चाइयों का मतलब, तेरे पास आके जाना मैंने ज़िंदगी का मकसद, सत्यमेव जयते. डू यू सी, मुझे अभी गूज़बम्स आ गए हैं पढ़ के, ये याद करके मुझे अभी तक याद है. बिकॉज द शो हैड एन इम्पैक्ट, इट हैड अ पर्पस. अब नहीं हो सकता वो पर्पस. अब जो लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं वही लोग आएंगे ऐसे शोज़ पे, एंड देन दिस शोज़ वुड बी कंसिडर्ड कि ये तो फूट डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ये तो डिविजन्स कराने की कोशिश कर रहा है, स्पेशली बीइंग अ मुस्लिम ही विल बी ब्लेम्ड. So while I can say that why they're not wanting to be vocal about it, while I understand कि this is the time to be vocal about it, this is a sort of what I say bottleneck situation, I'm not sure, but it's a situation where I understand both of these point of views, but now is the time to be vocal, and if they get vocal, it's a whole situation, it's a loop that goes on every time the country is in a situation where it is stuck between in an international affair or an interstate affair. We ask celebrities, we ask our influencers and content creators to take a stand, and some of them do, some of them really do, but then 4 महीने होते हैं जब वो ट्रेंड चला जाता है, गायब. And that is my problem with it. Even now, if I see someone's stories and they are celebrating their life, someone has a birthday, someone has this college project, they're happy in their lives, I feel weird कि the country is in shits right now, but the country has been in shit for ages, and हम मज़े ही कर रहे थे. तो अब क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हो गया, अब now that we want to see right now this particular moment and we're not seeing, then we are calling them out. After a few months, God forbid this moment dies and loses its original purpose and turns something bizarre, people will criticize us, but some will forget, some will be like, oh ये ऐसा होता तो ये सही हो रहा था, and then it would be gone from the influencers page. वो एक नंबर वैल्यू बन के रह जाएगा कि हाँ मुझे इतनी रीच मिली, उसमें से एक हिस्सा ये था, बट द कंटेंट वुड नॉट बी दैट. So this is a call out to the people who are just using this as a way to, matlab, they're not connecting with it, they're just using it. And then I think about ki even if they're using it, they're at least telling the people their stance, they're at least telling the people what should be done as a citizen. So again, अपनी जगह सही है वो भी, but I am amazed. I do not want the same post being reshared by every celebrity. That is not how you speak for a thing, that is not how you speak for a movement, that is not how you speak for a tragedy. I remember at the time when Operation Sindoor happened, a lot of people were afraid, especially the celebrities, to say कि सही है गलत है. At least take them seriously for what they are. Do not use it as a trend, do not use it because it's on your feed, use it because it's on your mind and it won't leave you. An actor से अकाउंटेबिलिटी मांगना is the worst thing that you should do right now. जिससे मांगनी चाहिए उसको एक्टर बना दिया हमने, बट वो खुद एक्टर बन के बैठे हुए हैं. But see, as a politician you can go to different places and give speeches, but when there's a tragedy, when there's I don't think this is a tragedy, this is more like an awakening. जब कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं, इट्स लाइक तुम यहाँ पे बैठे हो, वहाँ पे 50 लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, तुम्हारा नाम ले रहे हैं, बट तुम अपनी बात करते रहोगे कि हाँ ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. इतना बहरा, इतना अंधा और इतना गूंगा नहीं होना होता है पॉलिटिशियन को, एंड दैट इज़ क्वाइट क्लियर. आई हैव फ्लैशबैक्स फ्रॉम माई सिविक्स की क्लास की बुक. आई व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू रीड दैट क्लास NCERT, आई डोंट नो 9th-10th सिविक्स का, जब हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करते थे डेमोक्रेसी, डिफरेंट टाइप्स, फेडरलिज्म, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन वगैरह. Government has 3 branches: legislature, executive and judiciary. They are independent of each other. And I used to feel कि ये तो बहुत easy है, इसमें कुछ याद है सच कि मुझे कुछ याद करना पड़ेगा, unless it was article in something, वो तो याद करना पड़ता है. But these were the very absolute statements कि हाँ accountability, answerability, you have to be available for your citizens. These were statements that went without saying कि सोचने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी कि इसको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Because in your right mind, if you think that if you're choosing someone, they should choose you back, and that is what is not happening in this country. I love this country, to be honest. The country is in shambles. That's what I think a lot of times. I'm talking about these main commercial movie stars, you know, that make 4 मूवी एक साल में बना देंगे, चारों की चारों पिट रही है बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, एंड देन स्टिल दे कम बैक विद दैट स्माइली फेस की another movie, yeah. Like, I understand, but it's funny, it's not necessary. I do not look to celebrities anymore to ask आपका political opinion क्या है. I don't know what I want from celebrities, from actors anymore, but I do not want them to speak about it, because I have given up on that matter. वो नहीं बोलेंगे because they are in a twist with the government. जब तुम उसके घर पे जाके उनके साथ सेल्फी लोगे, उनके हाथों से अवार्ड लोगे, how do you grow a spine to go against that person? You can, but how? That if I get the answer, that is being true to yourself. That is all. And for the matter that some influencers and creators are using this for clout, I would say that is wrong if you forget about it. That is not, if you forget about it just for engagement, you're like, हाँ इस पे बोलने से व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, इस पे बोलने से कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, इस पे बोलने से पीपल हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे, हमारी मूवीज़ को बाद में सपोर्ट करेंगे, then that's again a very commercialized thinking that goes beyond the concern that the country is going through right now. When something bad happens in the country, some sort of scam comes in the open, I remember a lot of people, they sit around, especially if you see college students, they sit around in groups. Sometimes they talk about their personal life, but when they talk about politically, when we are in class, we're talking about what the nation can do, our professors always say, India की सबसे ज़्यादा population का हिस्सा जो है, that is the youth, and it is only the youth that can change this country, that can bring a revolution, a change in this country, a sort of even started. Because जब तक youth नहीं आएगा forefront पे, जब तक youth accountability वो खुद नहीं लेगा कि हम कर सकते हैं, तब तक नहीं चेंज होगा. एंड दिस इज़ वॉट ऑल ऑफ अस थिंक, एंड दिस इज़ वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, कि अब वो आ गया है सामने, तो अब पता नहीं क्या होगा. 3 साल तक गुस्सा अपना, ये जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, इस मूवमेंट को, आई एम नॉट सेइंग 3 साल तक प्रोटेस्ट करते रहो, बिकॉज 3 साल तक प्रोटेस्ट ये करने देंगे भी नहीं. एंड आई थिंक अगर प्रोटेस्ट आपका 3 साल तक चल रहा है, then the protest is not benefiting anyone. It's just taking away your resources. It's time to change some tactics, opt for alternative. I'm not saying go explosive, but I think politically youth has to get charged in a way that protesting, and if hunger strikes are not letting the government know that something is wrong, then it's time to enter politics. That's what I'm saying. Students are also on strike, hunger strike on this क्या बोलते हैं, protest, sorry. This is quite a youth movement, and we always saw कि we wanted some youth candidate to be in the main government body, कि कोई young बंदा आए, because every person we see on that stage, we see on these seats is a person who has crossed 80, who has crossed 60, who has crossed at least 50. इतना साल, पहली बात, the amount of disconnect you guys have is bizarre. The amount of religious dogmas you follow is bizarre. हर चीज़ को रिलीजन से जोड़ना, उससे मेरा रिलीजन से विश्वास उठ गया है. There was a point when I was like, ठीक है, religion is nice. In its original core form, it was something meaningful. It was supposed to be helpful, and the people who came after ruined it like they always do. There were misinterpretations, obviously, patriarchy, capitalism, everything happened, and the religion जो ऐसा था वो ऐसा हो चुका है. I'll find the nice pictures to apply. And this goes with every religion. I know more about Hinduism and Christianity at this point. I am not a big scholar on Islam. I cannot understand Islam for some reason, because मुझे नहीं समझ आता है. I remember history 11th में we had to read about world history, and world history में Arabs भी आते हैं. We had to read about those people as well, कि कैसे Islam as a religion came into existence, succession के through Prophet Muhammad, and then the caliphs that were made. उसके बाद ही मुझे इसमें भी डिविजन्स हुए थे. मुझे सिर्फ उतना हिस्टोरिकल आइडिया है. एट इट्स कोर आई नो द 5 things that you are supposed to do. These are just bookish things that I know of. Of course, for everyone who is religious, their religion is the best. I do not think so. I do not think so. Religion could have been the best, but it has been the worst thing that has happened to humanity, in my opinion. I was ready to believe that these are the people that are ruining the name of religion, but at this point, I cannot tolerate religion at all. You are a religious person, good for you. It gives you hope, good for you. It keeps you looking out for something. It feels like someone is looking out for you, good for you. It is beneficial. It is the best thing that happens to a person who has no hope sometimes. But in this country, religion is The current situation, I what I saw right before making this video was that there was lathi charge and there were announcements that things might go violent. I don't know the time difference between them or not. The thing is, it will go violent for sure. And I also saw the video of Modi ji going ki the youth is so free enough to protest, to show their concerns. Sir, that is all I have to say. I have nothing to say to that man. I'm disappointed. I don't think I'm disappointed in anything. I'm rather surprised because I did not assume, I did not think that this movement could turn so physical, so actual, in presence, like so present. When CGP started, I did not follow that page. I had mutuals following it in numbers. I had people, of course the page was growing with such like ऐसे जा रहा था बढ़िया, and they were like हमने इस पार्टी को क्रॉस कर दिया, हमने बीजेपी को क्रॉस कर दिया. There were reels and everything, there were memes. Right now the memes don't even sound funny. They are just pretty bizarre to believe that this is actually happening, and we cannot laugh on it. I cannot laugh on it. The memes on Modi are not funny because I mean they are funny, but right now they are not funny to me because I can like I said, I do not see things for the surface at this point. I just see the people that are behind it, and it just scares me. And the point that I'm speaking like this so openly, this is also a scary thing. One more point I would like to bring is that dictatorship होता तो क्या तुम लोग इतना बोल पाते वाला comment. One thing, I do not have any experience with dictatorship as such. The things I have read in books, the things I have read about actual examples of dictatorship is that dictatorship does not start ऐसे कि एक दिन उठे सब गायब, ऐसे नहीं होता है. धीरे धीरे ही आती हैं सारी चीज़ें. एक बोर्ड बनता है जो आप देखते हैं, जो आप पढ़ते हैं, जो आप सुनते हैं, उसको कंट्रोल करता है. एक दूसरी कमेटी बनती है जो आपके स्कूल्स में एक अलग चीज़ लाती हैं ताकि हाउ डू यू शेप द फ्यूचर थ्रू चिल्ड्रन, जो उनकी थिंकिंग, उनके तौर तरीके को चेंज करके उनको शेप करती है. देन कम्स ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट यू सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स, न्यूज़, मीडिया, इवन सोशल मीडिया राइट नाउ, तो उसको चेंज करती है, उसको शेप करती है. उसमें जो सिटीजन्स हैं उनको कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती हैं, किस तरीके से वो फैसिलिटीज़ मिल सकती हैं, उसको शेप करती है. सो डिक्टेटरशिप इज़ नॉट लाइक उन्होंने आज उठ के बोला कि अब से कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाएगा ऑनलाइन, इंटरनेट काट दिया. दैट वाज माई स्केयर लास्ट नाइट कि आज सुबह इंटरनेट कटेगा सबका, बट नहीं हुआ थैंकफुली. सो डिक्टेटरशिप विल नॉट कम मुँह पे सीधा, वो घुमा फिरा के आएगा और आपके पीठ पे छुरा भोंकेगा सीधा आके. एंड यू विल एक्सपेक्ट दैट नाइफ टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सम पीपल विल, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट नाइफ राइट नाउ कि अब तो छुरी पड़ेगी पीठ में. The one feature that comes to my mind when I think of dictatorship is censorship. कि the dictator does not want you to even think of that particular event, particular term, concept or political agenda, ideology that will go against that person, that will go against himself basically. So censorship is the best way to do that, to mute the voices, to undo the writings, to burn the books and everything. And especially schools के through, जब आपकी NCERTs चेंज कर दी जाती हैं, फ्रेंच एंड रशियन रेवोल्यूशन हटा दिया गया है. What are you putting instead of French and Russian Revolution? What are you trying to put again? मतलब उसको हटा के आप क्या डालेंगे उसकी जगह पे जो जस्टिफाई कर देगा कि हाँ ठीक है, हिस्ट्री हैड रेवोल्यूशंस, हिस्ट्री हैड अपराइजिंग्स. कि आप द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अपराइजिंग, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिवोल्टिंग, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आस्किंग फॉर योर राइट्स ही हटाना चाह रहे हैं अपने सिलेबस से कि बच्चा सोच ही ना पाए. बट आई थिंक द किड्स राइट नाउ आर क्वाइट present on the internet. They know what is happening. That has pros and cons because it does not mean जो मेरे फीड पे आ रहा है वही उन बच्चों के फीड पे आ रहा है या वही बड़ों के फीड में आ रहा है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक इनटू फीड्स जो मेरे से डिफरेंट हैं, दैट आर promoting against the protest, that are promoting against the sort of narrative that is going on right now. And जिस तेज़ी से सब लोग मेरी फीड पे या majority of the people that I'm seeing have gone against BJP, have against the government and are supporting this, it's suspicious as well to be honest. I think everything at this point that happens in this country is suspicious for me, but मेरे लिए suspicion इसलिए है because जब इतनी तेज़ी से लोगों का support आता है, गवर्नमेंट को पता चलता है कि अब जो है इट इज़ गेटिंग बिट सीरियस. सेकेंड इज़ दैट समथिंग बैड इज़ अबाउट टू हैपन एंड दैट इज़ वाई जब वो ऐसे जाएगा वो तेज़ी से नीचे भी आएगा. सो यू कैन कॉल इट पैरानोया, यू कैन कॉल, बट आई थिंक इट्स एंग्जाइटी भी हो सकती है, पैरानोया भी हो सकता है, बट इट इज़ जस्ट अ थिंकिंग कि मतलब कि बस उस तरफ जा रहा है दिमाग कि कुछ बहुत गलत होने वाला है, तभी अचानक से इतना सब कुछ, जब अचानक से तुम्हें बहुत सारा अच्छी चीज़ें मिल जाती, यू फील कि कुछ गलत होने वाला है. इट इज़ वन ऑफ दो सिचुएशंस. Oh God, I don't know how I'm going to edit this because मेरा doesn't matter. When CJP started as a movement, I did not quite understand. I did not think that it would live up to the hype. It would just, बीच में हुआ था, stagnant हो गया था कि वो बढ़ रहा था, memes बढ़ रहे थे, but then it was just being defined or it was just being refused as a real thing because it was not a real thing. It was a satire कि आपने कॉकरोच बोला तो हाँ हम कॉकरोच हैं. And the thing is, the amount of people I see in Jantar Mantar right now, I just think that cockroaches are together. Yeah, I'm not insulting them, but like, I feel good seeing people there ki they are willing to. I spent itta pura video talking about the CJP and protest. I did not actually talk about CJP though. So when CJP actually started as a satire thing online as a page where he said कि ठीक है हम cockroach हैं, they made their whole manifesto and everything, it was a satire, it was supposed to be a joke, and I didn't quite expect the founder to come actually to India and start this on a ground level, but he did, and then Sonam sir joined it. And I remember seeing his video. It was like मैं चंद घंटों के लिए आ रहा हूँ जंतर मंतर पे आपका समर्थन करने के लिए. And now he's here for a month. He's in the hospital detained. They have something in their store for us. I am damn sure. I believe in the government in that way that कि वो कुछ ना कुछ तो बड़ा बॉम्ब डालने वाले हैं इस पूरे सिचुएशन पे. By the point I open my Insta and open some sort of news article भी देखने लायक नहीं अभी, but I open in live protest interviews and everything. I am sure कुछ तो कुछ गलत और होने वाला जो हो चुका होगा इस आधे घंटे में. Let me talk about CJP. What were my first thoughts? It is not important, but I did not think that the founder would actually come, that this movement that started as a satire would lead to such a big change in the history. I don't know if इससे change होगा कि नहीं, but it is still a very significant movement, and the amount of parallels that people have drawn from this to the British to the rebellion against the British in 1857, as well as during the time of Mahatma Gandhi when he was on hunger strikes, when he was going against the government. Back then they were saying like Winston Churchill, who used to hate Gandhi, who had these vile things to say, वो भी थोड़ा सा concerned था कि this person is of great importance to the country, this person is respected by a lot of people in the country, let us be a bit kind to him. And of course other reasons to be honest, because he was in contact with the Britishers as well. तो एक था उनका रिलेशन, यहाँ पे सुनना ही नहीं चाहता है कोई. And then many people are comparing students and people to Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, Rajguruji, सब लोग से. Those were lives that cannot be compared to anything right now. उनको execute कर दिया गया था, फांसी चढ़ा दी गई थी, right? So I don't think bringing them into the conversation as a medium of comparison is correct. As a medium of inspiration is fine, but that does not mean you're going to bomb the parliament, bomb the council. Do not do that, because I think we should be inspired by their idea of revolutionizing the country, the system. That's all we want. And I was extremely proud to see the Indian flags in the rally, in the protest, because जब भी जाओ ना आपको इंडियन फ्लैग दिखता नहीं है इंडिया में अब. You will just see the different party flags. इंडिया फ्लैग छोटा सा गाड़ी पे लगा रहता है, सामने रखा रहता है, या तो आपको किसी IAS या कमिश्नर के टेबल पे रखा मिल जाएगा या जज के टेबल पे मिल जाएगा. द इंडियन फ्लैग हैज़ आई एम नॉट गोना से बिग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट दिस, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि मुझे तो नहीं दिखता था, सिर्फ इंडिपेंडेंस डे और उस पर बस लहराया हुआ दिखता था. उसके बाद मेरे घर के पास एक पार्क है, वहाँ पर दिखता था मुझे. लाइक इंडियन फ्लैग सिर्फ इन्हीं मौक़ों पर दिखता था. And even now when I am coming from my home to college, I have seen a lot of posters, different political parties. It's not just one ruling party. सब अपना कुछ ना कुछ प्रचार कर रहे हैं, and they don't even know how to do public PR at this point, because तुमने हर गमले पे पोस्टर लगा दिया. हर गमले में मुझे नीला, हरा, रंगा सब दिख रहा है मुझे. उससे who is getting inspired to attend, who is even looking at this? मैं तो सीधा इग्नोर मार देती हूँ कि क्या बकवास कर रखा है. एक चौराहा है, गोल चक्कर, चारों गोल चक्कर की तरफ पोस्टर लाइन से पोस्टर लगा दी कि शक्ल जो है वो ऐसे 40 शक्लें दिखती हैं उसमें, बस सेम ही शक्ल 40 बार रिपीट हो रही है. ढंग से अपना PR ठीक करो तुम लोग पहले तो. Now this is something out of topic to be honest. In the end, while I end this video, I don't know if I'm going to post it. I just wanted to make this video to know that as of July 2026, when this was going on in Jantar Mantar, I was here with the same frustration. And I don't know if I were in Delhi, I would have gone or not. I would have probably gone with my friends because यहाँ पे भी बन रहा था, but then the thing is permission लेनी ही पड़ती है because यहाँ पे protest हो नहीं रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई रैली वगैरह हो नहीं रही है, so we'll have to take permission. And of course वो परमिशन नहीं देंगे बिकॉज बच्चे हो यार, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग आके यहाँ पे, पढ़ो जाके। पढ़ने आई हूँ, अभी क्लास है मेरी, क्लास भी कर लूँगी, घर भी चली जाऊँगी, अपना फ्रीलांसिंग लिख भी लूँगी। बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन यू थिंक दैट यू आर कंटिन्यूइंग योर डेली लाइफ, that it won't be this simple, it won't be, even this sort of life is simple compared to what is about to come, because everybody knows that अब जो होने वाला है और गलत होगा और बुरा होगा। पेड़ कटेंगे, डेटा सेंटर्स बनेंगे, people will lose their jobs, people will not get any jobs। ये डिग्री कंप्लीट करके मुझे नहीं पता मुझे कौन सी जॉब मिल सकती है, हाथ पैर खुद ही मारने पड़ेंगे। एंड अभी जब हाथ पैर मार रहे हैं लोग वहाँ दिल्ली में जंतर मंतर में, आई थिंक द बेस्ट वी कैन डू इज़ टॉक अबाउट इट। दैट इज़ व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड ऑनलाइन, बट दैट इज़ क्वाइट ट्रू। इवन इफ इट्स योर पर्सनल अकाउंट, शेयर स्टोरीज, शेयर योर व्यूज़। I remember, this is another off topic, I'm not going to go off topic, but talking about it helps a lot. It does. It shapes your feed. If you constantly interact with people who are talking about it, who are sharing information, who are sharing opinions, who are sharing insights from this particular thing, it shapes you. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वाई इतना फ्रस्ट्रेशन मेरे अंदर घुस के आ गया, इतना सारा बोलने के लिए मेरे पास आ गया, क्योंकि मैंने पिछले 4 दिन से यही देख रही हूँ। क्योंकि जैसे जैसे दिन नज़दीक आ रहा, जब से सोनम जी को वहाँ से ले गए उठा के, तब से ये चीज़ और बढ़ गई। बिकॉज नो बडी बिलीव, एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक डेमोक्रेसी डाइड दैट डे। डेमोक्रेसी हैज़ बिन डाइंग। It's not like dictatorship. It does not die or gets born in one day. Nothing gets made in this country or in any political framework एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता है। It's just सालों की मेहनत मशक्क़त से ऐसी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं। But yeah, everybody was sharing democracy is dead, Sonam Wangchuk ji, ये वो renowned scientist. People were questioning, oh, is he a scientist? Is he even done anything? Has he even done anything? So that is what I'm saying. कि कोई अच्छा भी करे ना, उस पर 4 उंगली उठा देंगे, तुमने अच्छा, ये वाला अच्छा क्यों नहीं किया, वो वाला अच्छा क्यों नहीं किया, मतलब लाइक ये वाला करते ज़्यादा बेटर रहता। तुमसे अच्छा बोला जा नहीं रहा है, क्रिटिसिज्म करना है तो दिमाग से करो ना। अब आई जस्ट प्रे, आई हैव नॉट प्रेड इन अ मंथ बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स द रिलीजन थिंग, बट आई जस्ट प्रे कि things get better. That is a very useless, fruitless prayer, to be honest. That is why I do not believe in praying, because I always prayed about ki I hope things get better, I hope the world gets better. I remember praying daily because I was like, shit, the war is going on there, the people are dying, the visuals, this was different. If I bring that thing, then this will discredit. People are pretty reluctant towards Muslims, towards their concerns, towards their Muslim countries, to be honest, and they have a connection to these Muslim countries because of their religion. उसके अलावा कोई loyalty नहीं है उनकी उधर, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। And even if there was not a religion, if you see that people are mindlessly killing other people, then यहाँ पे नहीं, यहीं से सोचो, तुम यहीं सोचो, दिल मत लगाओ, दिमाग लगाओ कि जब लोग मर रहे हैं ऐसे ही, I don't think you should be supporting anyone at this point. Nobody is winning in these wars, that is quite true, but supposedly कुछ लोग तब भी जीतते हैं because stakes. In the end, I would just say कि we talk about it, we keep talking about it. It's not कि march ख़त्म हो गया, we just stop. Keep thinking about it, keep writing about it, keep creating about it. I love the designs and everything. डिज़ाइन हो गया, वीडियो हो गया, गाने हो गए, गाने, म्यूज़िक एंड सॉन्ग्स आर द बेस्ट वे टू, क्या बोलते हैं, इमोर्टलाइज समथिंग। द म्यूज़िक बाइंड्स अस ऑल टुगेदर। वंदे मातरम, ओ गॉड, डी वंदे मातरम। एंड लाइक ऐसे सत्यमेव जयते, जो मुझे कितने साल की हूँ मैं, 10 साल पुराना गाना याद है, 10 साल पुराना गाना वर्ड टू वर्ड मैं गा दूँगी उसी सुर में, क्योंकि वो मेरे को मेरे दिल से छू गया वो गाना। I knew its purpose. I saw the show. I saw the people. I heard their stories back then. I don't know what happened to them at this point. I will have to dig up things. But the thing is कि everybody in this country is fighting against each other, against the government, and initially everybody was against each other. They are still against each other, and इसी में जो है ऐसी चीज़ें मर जाती हैं. I do not want to be against anybody in particular because I understand, I see where they are coming from, and it is quite foolish, but to them it's quite wise. Let's just not be against each other. Let's just not dilute a movement that has started in a direction that can profit us in other fields as well. We did not come forward for farmers. We did not come forward for CA protest. I was pretty young back then. I just heard it on the news कि they are sitting at borders. They are tractors. उन पे पाइप फेंका, pressure मतलब water can से उन पे मारा जा रहा है. And at that time I did not had any knowledge what was happening. I was privileged that way, and right now also I'm pretty privileged to be here, sitting here. But honestly, एक तरीके का privilege नहीं भी है कि I'm not a part of that protest. That is what has been eating me थोड़ा सा कि I also want to be a part of it. I want to go there physically, chant, sing, be there, shout, run. But so see, but the thing that so many people have come up is because their privilege is threatened at this point. The rich will only get richer, the poor will get poorer, but the middle class will always be in the middle, chucky piecing. I don't know how many students will be arrested. A lot of people will be arrested today. A lot of creators I follow are going there in groups. They are funding people to कि तुम लोग sponsoring, मतलब not funding, sponsoring people कि तुम लोग जाओ जो नहीं जा पा रहा है. I'll sponsor you. You can come with us. There are WhatsApp groups for women to be with each other because it's pretty unsafe. Even though it is a youth-led movement, things can get pretty unpredictable at points. I have been reading the guidelines that people have been putting up online. I'm not going there, but I'm reading it so ardently कि हाँ ठीक है, mask, cover, ये सब. And I think I should have covered my face right now, but I just want to document this moment because it is of big importance. It has affected me a lot. And the thing is, India as a nation, I never understood that. Am I patriotic? Do I love my country? I do love my country. And in these moments, I realize how much I care for this country. Because हम डेली के भाग दौड़ में हम अपने बारे में ही सोचते हैं. दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर. वी थिंक कि ठीक है यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच गए, बट अपने बारे में हम जब अपना रूटीन भी फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, हम डे टू डे इतनी चीज़ों से गुजर जाते हैं जो इस देश की इंपॉर्टेंस के. यूज़ द रोड्स, द पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, द अमाउंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी यू नीड एज अ वुमेन, द अमाउंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी यू नीड एज अ ह्यूमन टू बी अलाइव इफ़ यू नॉट इन द पॉट होल्स, इफ़ यू नॉट लेट फॉर योर जॉब बिकॉज कॉन्वॉयस जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे. आज जिस चौराहे से मैं हर दिन आती हूँ वहाँ पे कभी कभार किसी किसी दिन पे पुलिस होती थी. आज वहाँ पे थी पुलिस, एंड जैसी मैंने पुलिस भी थी एंड ट्रैफिक ऑफिसर भी थे वहाँ पे. 2 लोग थे एंड दे वर बैरिकेड एज वेल कि दे आर बीइंग एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्टिव इन दिस सिटी एज वेल बिकॉज दे नो कुछ भी हो सकता है. So this was my documentation. This were my views. I thought of writing it last night, but of course I was tired, and then I really wanted to make this video because I've been seeing it. I'm feeling anxious because I don't know what is about to happen, what will happen, and बस यही सब मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है. तभी मैंने सोचा वीडियो बन जानी चाहिए. And these are my views only, what I have seen, what I have understood, what I think. I think we deserve better and we will get that somehow. And comparing this to the Indian independence is a big deal, to be honest. Indian independence was much more crueler. It was crueler in action. No. Indian independence was crueler and it took a long time. Remember that. It first upheaval was in 1857 and then it got suppressed. Then धीरे धीरे कहीं ना कहीं पे पार्टीशन हुआ बंगाल का. Then acts है, government act है, then गांधी जी का चंपारण वगैरह वो सब. Like you and I have read these things since 8th, 9th में तो national non-cooperation movement, everything happened. So हमने शुरुआत से लेके अंत तक पढ़ा है, भले ही थोड़ा कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिस करा है जो अब हम गेन करते हैं धीरे धीरे when we are exposed to मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑनलाइन कि ठीक है ये भी हुआ था बट ये हमारी बुक्स में नहीं था, इनका भी बड़ा रोल था बट इनको उतना सुना नहीं गया था. एंड आई थिंक this is a time to document everything you can. That is what I do. I write about everything I can find on the internet, everything I find in interviews, even the normal person's views that I write, that I think makes a lot of sense, that it will reignite your feelings for the nation. Some पॉइंट्स आई रोट कि मुझे जो अच्छे लगे थे. कल मैं इंटरव्यूज़ देख रही थी तो उसमें एक मुंबई का रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे, वो प्रोटेस्ट कवर कर रहे थे. उसमें उन्होंने बोला था कि सिंहासन खाली करो, जनता आ रही है. आई बिग फ़ैन सर. अगर मिला तो मैं उसे, अगर मैं ये पोस्ट करूँगी तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में वही डाल दूँगी. आई लव दैट कवरेज. एंड नेक्स्ट वॉज अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी का कहा, एक उन्होंने आई थिंक पार्लियामेंट सेशन में कहा था कि सरकारें चली जाएंगी बट देश रहना चाहिए. एंड देयर इज़ नथिंग मोर टू ऐड टू दिस. आई डिड नॉट क्रिएट दिस थॉट बट आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर दैट India as a nation deserved better. Always it deserved better. I cannot pinpoint the time it got wrong, but it has been wronged again and again by its people, by its invaders, and it has been fragmented into sections that are not visible to the naked eye, but from your conscious social eye it is quite visible. Even now in this movement you can see how divided people are. Before this you obviously know how divided people were, and it is a utopian dream, to be honest, to see the people of India united. But I think we all know it's only through unity we can go against a system that is constantly working against us, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it to go along with the system, to think कि ठीक है यार चल जाएगा, and to bring in the points of development, because the Britishers also brought the train in India, but it was for their own purpose. तो आप देख रहे हैं जो भी डेवलपमेंट होता है, जो भी, एक तो इतनी रेलगाड़ियाँ बनाते हैं लोग. आपने अगर जनरल डब्बा देखा है, लोग लटक लटक के गिर जाते हैं ट्रैक पे. आप उनके लिए कुछ कर दो. बुलेट ट्रेन बनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा जब इंसान रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो ऑन ग्राउंड लेवल पे जो है बिल्कुल वो मर रहा है चलते चलते ही. देयर इज़ अ लॉट टू रिपेयर इन दिस कंट्री, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बिलीव दैट दिस कंट्री इज़ नॉट बियॉन्ड रिपेयर. And maybe it's just a lot of talking that I did here. I believe in this country. I believe in its people. I do not believe the government. I do not believe their ideologies. I do not believe the religion, any religion, to be honest. I'm not with any religion. I cannot tolerate religion at this point, because it could have been a good cause, but it did not turn out to be a good cause at this point. It gives you hope. Take the hope, but do not take the hate that the people give. I do not have a good quote to end it with now, but just that, talk about it, believe it, live the movement. That's what I'll say. Take the moment with you everywhere you go. Talk with your friends about it in public spaces. Talk about it on stage. Bring India in everything you do. And I think we'll keep this fire in us alive. And no matter what happens, because the hunger strike will break at one point. I hope so. I really hope so. The demands will be heard or not, I do not believe that, but I'll just say keep believing, keep living. If they let you live, keep living, and Vande Mataram. Keep living the truth, keep moving along it, and not much to add except Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. I love my India, I swear, and I've never been proud of its people more than I am today.